Wow, smells good. This is Weber Q1200 liquid propane grill. This piece is on the bottom, super heavy. The quality is pretty solid and the paint is pretty good. And this is oil catch pan, pretty good material, stainless steel. This is actually the cooking method instruction how to use it. This is the burner. Inside is all stainless steel. Looks very solid and actually it's holding pretty tight. And the outside is cast iron. And this is where you hook up the propane. This is the hinge of the cover. So to give you this bolt, so just go through, and you got this clip. So pretty simple. And this is the thermostat. Here is the wing nut. So the wing nut is very easy. You can take off by hand. So here is, you just put that in. Super simple. And on the back, you just screw it on. You don't need other tools to do this. And next one will be the handle. So we got 2 holes like this. And another side, don't forget to put this insulator in there. And then another screw. And now we need a screwdriver to make it tight. And I like this one because if it's only one piece, they'll be too heavy, but for half a piece, that's fine. It's pretty easy to clean. So this is the ignition. Let's put this one in. Oh, it's already working. And on the other side, we can put this knob on there. So this is pretty simple. Just put this one on and push, you can turn. On off position, you can turn. This is a standard cylinder, so I'm going to screw that in. And I'm going to open it and press it. Fire already started. The grill is pretty small, so it's very easy to heat it up. You can see the temperature moves up pretty quick, even though I'm using a small cylinder. Actually, you can use the big propane tank, and I need to buy the actual adapter. Now see the chicken's on there, and you can see the flame. And probably I'm gonna turn the heat down a bit. So this little grill is kind of more powerful than I think. I'm already turned on like very low heat, and it looks like there's enough power to cook this chicken meat. On the bottom, that's the oil tray. It's catch all the oil, so you don't need to worry about the bottom to clean up. Pretty good. This grill is small, but the cooking area is pretty big. And I think it's good for a small family, like 3, 4. You got 2 kids, you feed kids no problem. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.